In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Face ID on the Bank of America app, a quick and easy way to enhance your mobile banking experience. Let's dive in and explore each step carefully to ensure you set it up with ease and confidence. To begin, you'll need to open the Bank of America mobile banking app on your iPhone. Make sure you've got it downloaded from the App Store if you haven't already. Once the app is up and running, go ahead and log in with your online ID and passcode. This is important because you'll need to access the app's settings to make any changes related to Face ID. Next, navigate to the menu by tapping the three-line icon known as the hamburger menu. Depending on your version, you might find this icon either at the bottom or the top corner of your screen. Once you're in the menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Settings and Privacy and give it a tap. From here, you'll want to select Login Preferences under the Settings tab. This is where you get to choose how you'd prefer to access your account, whether that's using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. Since we're focusing on Face ID, proceed by tapping on that option. Once you've selected Face ID, you'll see a switch to turn it on. Go ahead and toggle the switch to the on position. Depending on your iPhone settings, you might be prompted to allow the app to access your device's Face ID system. It's crucial that you grant this permission, as it ensures that your iPhone and the Bank of America app can communicate effectively for this feature. After you've turned on Face ID, your iPhone will scan your face once to verify the setup. Follow any on-screen instructions, and once the confirmation appears, tap Done to complete this step. It's that simple. Your Face ID is now set up to work with your Bank of America app. To make sure everything is working correctly, let's go ahead and test it out. Log out of the app to refresh the settings and then reopen it. With Face ID enabled, the app should immediately recognize your face and log you in automatically without you needing to enter your online ID and passcode. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Face ID on your Bank of America app, making your banking more secure and convenient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore more of our content for additional tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the ease of quick and secure banking at your fingertips.